Complete the next question. Read carefully and write your solution in the comments. Subscribe to keep learning more maths with us. Have you considered how to solve this kind of problems? Did you know? More than 83% fails or make mistakes. At the end of the video, you get the answer. Next, I explain some hints to solve the problem. Pay attention. Pause the video if you need more time to read. Leave a comment if you want a complete solution. Videos with more comments will be full explained step by step. And that's it. Hear the answer. Now, take a screenshot to save the solution. If you share this video, others will learn mathematics. Remember, on this channel you can learn mathematics every day. Improve your math skills with us. See you until next time.